PureAir Pro, 2020, Electric Scooter Review. It is not Pure's newest scooter, but the PureAir Pro, 2021, offers some key improvements over its predecessor, as well as a lower price tag. Pure is one of the largest suppliers of electric scooters and bikes in the UK, and the Air Pro, 2020, was the company's first scooter. In addition to being IP65 rated, the PureAir Pro is made of sturdy materials for a smooth ride, and it can easily be folded to be transported, although it is rather heavy. Therefore, it will not be suitable for everyone. Air Pro rides incredibly well, the acceleration is smooth so you won't go flying out of green lights, the brakes are robust enough to allow you to stop quickly, and the suspension keeps you from getting shaken while you ride. In early August 2020, the PureAir Pro retailed for £679.99, about $890, $1,230 but it is currently available for £599, roughly $785, $1,090 on the Pure website. There are two colors available, grey and black, and we tested the grey version. It has dimensions of 115 cm by 50 cm by 120 cm, which makes it quite large but easy to get a firm grip on. The charging port and kickstand are located on the bottom of the board. This can be opened by flicking it to the side, and holds the scooter very securely. With 10 inches of wheels, the PureAir Pro is larger than the average, so it's better suited to uneven surfaces or cobbled floors, and because the wheels are air-filled rather than solid, you won't feel every bump. As mentioned, the handlebars are relatively average in size, and they are also wide enough for comfortable use. There is a bell on the left bar, and a display on the right that controls the scooter's settings. A display for the scooter contains 3 buttons, one for turning off the lights, another for changing the mode of riding, and a third for turning it on and off, and for adjusting the view distance. Below the display is the button that starts the scooter. It is slightly smaller than other scooters we have tested, so people who have used other scooters may have a hard time getting used to it, but we did not encounter any difficulties. On the PureAir Pro, there are 2 lights, one on the front and one on the back, as well as 2 reflectors on both sides. You can fold the PureAir Pro using the catch on its front and keep it folded using the clasp on its back wheel. Though the scooter weighs 17 kilograms, this is quite heavy compared to most scooters that weigh 10 to 14 kilograms, and some might find it difficult to transport it when folded. A few factors determine how long it takes for the PureAir Pro to charge, including how fast you're driving, and faster driving will result in a shorter battery life. It is very easy to install the scooter as it comes with a power cable that plugs into the board of the vehicle. The PureAir Pro has 3 riding modes: Eco, which takes you at 15 km/h, 9.3 miles per hour, and preserves the battery longest; Mid, which allows you to reach 20 km/h, 12.4 miles per hour, and High, which gives you a top speed of 25 km/h, 15.5 miles per hour, which is also the UK legal limit for scooters. When you ride on quieter streets, Mid should do fine, but on busier roads, you will need to move to High to keep up with cyclists and traffic. Although the acceleration on the PureAir Pro is a little slower than on some other scooters, this is a good thing. Since rapid acceleration can be a danger, it is hard to maintain control when you are accelerating rapidly. While the brake felt very secure and when we squeezed it tightly, we were able to stop pretty quickly, it was less useful as a tool to modulate speed, since we had to grip it quite firmly in order to get it to work. The PureAir Pro did not have a tie-in app when we tested it, but the Pure Electric app has since been released. By using the Pure Electric app, you can observe your speed, only useful if you are actually moving, the remaining battery level, and your potential range. Overall, we felt extremely safe and comfortable on the PureAir Pro, more so than on some other scooters, and recommend it to novice riders.